Okay, so these are the dry ingredients for our saucy chicken. Not quite a chasseur, but close. We've got a rasher of smoked bacon, which we're going to cut into lardons. Sprig of tarragon, fresh, which we're going to chop. A shallot, which we're going to chop up. 2 cloves of garlic crushed. Some organic cherry tomatoes. And here we have some nice crimini mushrooms, which we're going to slice up very thin. We'll show you the liquid components in a sec. Shouldn't take too long. So here's our chicken breast for the saucy chicken. He's been dry brined in the fridge for a couple of hours after having been pounded to a consistent thickness. So he'll cook nicely and quickly. Okay, so here we have our sauce ingredients in the Instant Pot. We're going to soften them up here. I'm using the Instant Pot bluntly because I don't have a lot of time and I need to be quick. So there's going to be no reduction. We're just going to thicken this sauce with some Wonderflower Burmese, just a little bit of red wine, a little bit of chicken broth, and maybe a splash of brandy for a little extra body. This is a makeup meal, so everything that's going into this I've had on hand. I haven't had to buy anything for this dish. These are our liquids for tonight. Some cab sauv, a little bit of chicken stock purchased, and some Corbel brandy. I only need about half a cup to let the Instant Pot get up to pressure, so I've put the measuring glass here because it'll be about 2 ounces, one and a bit. I don't want too sloppy a sauce at the end of this. So, onward not wood. Okay, so here's our sauce with about a teaspoon, maybe a little more Burmese added. Wonderflower Burmese. I can smell the tarragon coming off this sauce. It's really going to make a delightful difference to this chicken. Quite a thick sauce, gravy-like, not sloppy, but that's what we wanted. So here's the finished product, served up. Smells gorgeous. The tarragon's just punching through, which differentiates it from a lot of other chasseur-style chicken sauces. Looking forward to this. You might want to give it a try.